In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to draw this kind of realistic hair, that too grey tone hair. Okay, so for this we just need one 200 GSM paper, graphite pencils, charcoal pencils, and mono zero eraser. Okay, and if you don't know me, this is Lavanya. I am a realistic pencil portrait drawing artist. I share lot of pencil drawing tutorials and how to make a profession out of your drawing in this channel. So if you are interested, subscribe below so that you don't miss out all the important videos that I upload here. Without any further delay, let us get started. Here I am using HB pencil to mark this direction of the hair. See, when you are drawing this, you have to make sure that you are representing the flow of the hair that is similar to the reference photo. Okay, so you need to observe your reference photo clearly and mark the flow of the hair. So you don't have to mark each and every stand here. First you just mark the directions of the hair. So once it is done, so observe where are the darkest areas are there in this. So these are the shadows. Okay, where there is shadow, it is going to look darker. So that means where there are hair foldings, so it is going to look darker. So here in this step I am just marking all these darker areas. Okay, see, observe the reference photo carefully. So there are some highlights also in this. So we are not going to apply charcoal on the highlights. So highlights are those areas which are very lighter. Okay, see, if we cover these highlights, then it would be difficult for us to get them at the end. Okay, so if we are using mono zero eraser also, it would be difficult to get the brighter highlights. So that's why I am leaving the spaces where and all I'll have to make the brighter highlights. Okay, so now till now I have used a soft charcoal pencil. Now I am using medium charcoal pencil to draw this lines, fine lines, because with the soft charcoal it is difficult to draw the fine lines. So that is why I am using this medium charcoal, and medium charcoal pencil is quite easier to charcoal sharpen compared to the soft charcoal pencil. So here I am just marking them in this step. Okay, yeah, observe the photo carefully and compare with your reference photo. Now in this step I am smudging this. Okay, I am using a makeup brush over here. See, if you don't have a makeup brush, you can cut your regular painting brush like this to get the short bristles. Okay, so if you are having this short, I don't know what to say, that shorter tip, so it would be easy for you to smudge. So while smudging, you have to use this brush from one direction to other. So don't just use zigzag strokes while smudging. Okay, you have to follow the flow of the hair only. Now again I am applying charcoal pencil once again. So in this step, whatever the drawing I have done previously, I am darkening it once again. Okay, so once we smudge it, the drawing will look little lighter. So that is why I am applying one more layer of shading here. And here I am using mono zero eraser to erase any mistakes or to bring the highlights. See, if you want to learn this hair drawing completely from step by step with my personal instructions, I am also conducting 3 days realism hair drawing bootcamp where you can get to learn with me in Zoom classes. I can review your work and yeah, we can discuss about your art progress as well. So if you are interested, check the description below. I'll add the registration link. Also, so this drawing I have done it as a demo during my online sessions. So that is why this video clarity is not very good, because this was the recorded session from Zoom. Yeah, if you like to learn personally drawing from me, you can also book a clarity call with me. I am also adding the clarity call link, and there is a website as well. You can check all the course details over there. I really appreciate you connecting with me on Instagram for further communications, because I would be very active on my Instagram. I can also reply to your messages very quickly. See here, again we'll come back to this drawing. I am using this monozero eraser to pull up the highlights, and then once again I am using this medium charcoal pencil. So usually I prefer using charcoal for the hair drawing because that gives really good depth. So if you are just using graphite, it would be very difficult to create this kind of depth. So that's why I always use charcoal and carbon mediums to create my hair. Then for if you see skin tone, I have used carbon pencils. So it would be really difficult to get this kind of darker values. If you are using only graphite, we'll have to apply so many different layers. So wherever there are darker areas are there, I prefer using carbon charcoal pencils. I teach what is the difference between charcoal, graphite and carbon mediums in depth in my portrait drawing course, and how to choose the right materials according to what effect that you want in your drawing, and how to use them together to get the realistic look. If you want to learn in detail, I recommend you to check my portrait drawing course as well. Yeah, if you really like this process, let me know in the comments, and also share it with some of your artist friends. I have also made several drawing tutorials in this channel. If you haven't checked, I have many other tutorials as well, like complete portrait drawing tutorial, and also skin tone tutorials, and the color pencil portrait drawing tutorials as well. So if you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe right now. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found this video useful, please share it with some of your artist friends as well, and comment below what is the key takeaway from this video. You can also leave me content suggestions, what you would love to see next in this channel. So here, like if you want to register for this hair drawing workshop, click the link below and I'll see you in the workshop.